I'm Lisa and I'm currently studying media in West Thames College.
Hi, I'm Shanara and I'm a science student here at West Thames College in London.
Hi guys, my name is Savannah and I currently study theatrical hair and makeup here at West Thames College.
Hi, I'm Snowman. I'm doing the motor vehicle course here at West Thames College right here in Feltham.
Hi, I'm George. Before I started West Thames College, I had no idea where I wanted to go. But from the moment I joined, everything changed.
The facilities here are incredible. We have industry-standard cameras, TV studio, editing suites and everything we need to bring our ideas to life.
What I love about this course is that we don't just learn techniques, we dive right into special effects, prosthetics, character designing and more.
It's not about passing a course, it's about building a future.
I've also made some great friends. We share our ideas, we grow together and we support each other. This course has helped me build my confidence, improve my practical skills and focus on my future.